Hey there and welcome. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a super straightforward way to accept donations on your Wix website totally free and with no complex coding required. If you're a nonprofit, creator, community organizer, or just someone who wants an easy donation option online, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully working PayPal donation button set up, so your supporters can help you out with just a click. Let's jump right in together step by step. First things first, head to your Wix website design. This is where all the magic happens. If you're new to Wix, just log in and click Edit Site to open up the website editor. You'll see your site displayed just the way visitors would, but now you have the tools to customize it. Take a moment to think about where you want your donation option to appear. Maybe on your homepage or on a dedicated support page, totally up to you. Choosing a high visibility spot makes it easier for your supporters to find and use. Next, once you're in the right spot, you'll need to select the element where you'd like to add the donation button. In Wix, every piece of your site, text, images, buttons, is an element, so you can add something new or update an existing section. If you want the donation button to be front and center, you might consider adding it right beneath a welcoming message or a gallery that shows the impact of your work. Just click on the area you want to work with, and Wix will highlight it for you. Now let's move on to the payment options. On the left-hand menu, look for the Add button, then click on Payment. This is where you choose how visitors can send money your way. Wix gives several choices, but for donations, PayPal tends to be the most universally recognized and trusted. If you're wondering why PayPal is a great pick, pretty much everyone's used it at least once, it's secure, and your donors don't even need their own accounts to send money. You'll see the option to add PayPal Donate or something similar, depending on Wix's latest design. Go ahead and click that. Wix will insert a PayPal donation button right into your chosen section. Don't worry if it pops up in a funny spot, you can always drag and drop it wherever it looks best. Take a second to resize or reposition if needed, almost like arranging furniture in a room to make everything flow. Now for a slightly more detailed step, click on the PayPal info and fill it up. This means you'll enter your PayPal email address or account, where the donations will actually land. There might be a few fields to fill out, like currency or suggested donation amounts, so take your time here. If you don't have a PayPal account yet, Wix will prompt you to make one for free, which is quick and easy. Filling out your info ensures that every donation ends up right in your virtual pocket. Once all that's done, that's it. Your donation button is fully live and ready for action. I recommend giving it a quick test after you publish, just to make sure everything's working the way it should. Don't worry if you need to tweak the wording, colors, or placement. Wix makes it simple to adapt until it feels just right for your audience. And there you go, easy, free, and live donations on your Wix site. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or run into any issues, drop them in the comments below. I'm always happy to help out. Don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and best of luck raising support for your awesome work.